The marriage meeting? Inside Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce's first Thanksgiving together. Did Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce just take the biggest step in their relationship? Rumors are flying, the internet is melting down, and we finally have the details on what happened yesterday. For the first time ever, the Swift family and the Kelce family spent Thanksgiving together under one roof. And you know what that means? In the world of celebrities, when the parents meet for the holidays, it usually signals one thing: a wedding is on the horizon. Did Travis pop the question over turkey? Did Taylor bake her famous cinnamon rolls for her future mother-in-law? Welcome to FameFlash! Grab your leftovers because we are diving deep into the most talked about Thanksgiving dinner of 2025. Let's set the scene. Yesterday on Thanksgiving Day, all roads led to Kansas City. Reports confirm that Taylor Swift's private jet touched down, bringing her parents, Scott and Andrea Swift, to Travis Kelce's stunning $6 million mansion. But they weren't alone. Travis's mom, the legendary Donna Kelce, and his dad, Ed, were also there. This is a massive deal, guys. We have seen Taylor with Donna at football games, we have seen Travis with Scott Swift at concerts, but having everyone together in a private, intimate setting? That is a game changer. Sources say the vibe was incredibly cozy and domestic. It wasn't a celebrity party, it was a family reunion. And let's be honest, getting two sets of busy parents in the same room is harder than getting Eras Tour tickets. But for Taylor and Travis, they made it happen. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the food. We know Travis takes his eating seriously. On his podcast, New Heights, just a few days ago, he teased that he planned to feast on KFC. That is, Kelce Fried Chicken, or, in this case, turkey. He confirmed he was planning to deep fry the turkey himself. Can you imagine Travis Kelce, the NFL superstar, wearing an apron and cooking for Taylor Swift? And we all know Taylor is the queen of baking. Fans are convinced she whipped up her viral chai sugar cookies or homemade cinnamon rolls for the Kelce clan. It's the perfect mix. Football food meets pop star baking. It sounds like the perfect American holiday, but there was likely some serious conversation happening over that dinner table. Here is where it gets spicy. Social media is currently flooding with the hashtag Tayvis engagement. Why? Because bringing both families together for a major holiday is traditionally the moment couples choose to announce an engagement. Think about it. Taylor is currently on a break from her Eras Tour. Travis is in the middle of his football season. This was the perfect, quiet window to make it official. While we haven't seen a ring yet, insiders have been whispering for months that Travis is ready to propose. Some fans even think the proposal might have happened privately before dinner, and the meal was actually an engagement celebration. If Scott Swift and Ed Kelce were clinking glasses, they were likely toasting to the future of their children. The merger of the music world and the NFL might be officially underway. But the festivities aren't over. Right after the turkey coma, it is back to business. The Kansas City Chiefs have a massive game today for Black Friday. With the whole family in town, you can bet the VIP box at Arrowhead Stadium is going to be packed. Expect to see Taylor, Mama Kelce, and Papa Swift cheering louder than anyone else. It shows just how integrated their lives have become. Taylor isn't just a girlfriend anymore, she is part of the football family. So, we have to ask you the big question. Do you think Travis popped the question yesterday? Or was this just a casual family hangout? And would you try Travis Kelce's deep-fried turkey? Let us know your theories in the comments below. We will be watching her left hand very closely at the next game. Don't forget to like and subscribe to FameFlash for all the latest updates on America's royal couple. Thanks for watching.